Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Vanced versus ReVanced. We'll explore what made Vanced so popular and why its development ceased. Then, we'll introduce ReVanced, its modern successor, and understand how it aims to fill the void left behind. This comparison will highlight their core functionalities, helping you grasp the evolution of these powerful YouTube modifications and what each offers to enhance your viewing experience. We'll cover everything from installation to features. When it comes to features, both Vanced and ReVanced deliver on the promise of an ad-free YouTube experience. You'll find background playback, allowing you to listen to videos with your screen off, and picture-in-picture mode for multitasking. Sponsor Block is also a shared, fantastic addition, skipping sponsored segments. However, ReVanced truly shines with its modular patching system, offering a greater degree of customization and control over which specific enhancements you want to include in your YouTube application. Installing these applications presents a notable difference. Vanced offered a straightforward installation, usually just downloading an APK file and Vanced Micro G. ReVanced, however, requires a more hands-on approach. You'll need to use the ReVanced Manager to patch a clean, official YouTube APK. This process, while slightly more technical, grants greater flexibility and ensures the project's longevity. It allows the community to adapt to changes in the official YouTube application, keeping the features working seamlessly. Looking at the future, Vanced is a closed chapter. Its development has ceased, and there are no new updates. In stark contrast, ReVanced thrives with a vibrant and dedicated community. This active development ensures that ReVanced remains compatible with the latest YouTube versions and continues to introduce new, exciting features. Its open-source nature means hundreds of contributors are working to keep it robust and user-friendly. For anyone seeking a continually evolving, feature-rich YouTube experience, ReVanced is undoubtedly the way forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.